Everyone, it is planting day for peppers and tomatoes. I also have to pick a salad from my sister's house later today, so we're going to pick a salad and we'll put a few more herbs and vegetables to go in the salad. It is the middle of May here in my mid-Missouri garden. That's why I have chosen to wait to plant my peppers and my tomatoes because here in Missouri, our temperatures fluctuate from about 40 degrees in the evenings to could be up to 85 degrees during the day. And I don't have time to come out here and take a plastic cover on and off of my tomatoes and my pepper plants. So I just wait. Also, I ran out of room because I grow too many early vegetables in the garden. So some of those have bolted and gone to seed. And so now it's time to plant our peppers and our tomatoes. I did go over variety choices and why I decided to buy my plants this year instead of starting them from seed in an earlier video that I did. So maybe I can link that down below. All right, thank you.
The ones we're planting over here are celebrity tomatoes. So I'm going to put one on each side of these trellises that my husband made for me. We took out an old fence row down there and he just went ahead and made these. They're very sturdy. Sometimes they're not quite tall enough, so we just top off those tomatoes. When I plant the tomato, I go ahead and take off all of these lower leaves and I'm going to bury it all the way up to this. The reason is, all along this stem, it will create roots. And so the roots will get more water in my clay, no-dig garden beds. And also, it will be more sturdy, so in the strong winds and the storms that we have in the summertime, they will be able to withstand those. Are the Better Bell sweet peppers. There are cabbages growing along here, but by the time these cabbages are big and harvestable, these peppers will just be starting to put on some growth. So it's okay that I plant these this close together because here in Missouri, we don't really start to get peppers until late July, August. We're going to start here with the trick-chew peppers. These are a jalapeno pepper, but without any heat. I thought they were fun. I'm going to plant 3 of them right here, and I'm saving 1 of every pepper for a pot this year because I think that it'll be fun to try to overwinter them. actually 2 peppers. So we are going to go ahead and get rid of the smaller one because if they grow together like this, they will both be weak. And this is the snacking pepper.